Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rennch. I'm Michael. Today we are going to paint the Blasphemy build, everybody. We're painting. Let's go. First and foremost, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm really nervous. I've never seen the color of the car in person. I've only seen it in pictures. Living in Southern California, we live like in the densest population of Porsches that I think there are in the world, even more than Germany, outside of the LA area. And I've never, ever seen this color on a car, new or old. It is a Porsche paint to sample color. It's all I will tell you right this second, but I'm going to get the different toners that we need to make it from the Sherwin-Williams paint shop. We're all Sherwin-Williams here on the car at Costa Mesa Collision. And I don't know if I'm going to tweak it or not. They have a whole system where they can make the paint right there at the shop. So we're going to mix it, and then I'll look at it out in the light. And if it's good, we'll go with it. If it's not, I will tweak it a little bit. And then we're going to shoot the interior, trunk, and maybe frunk. I'm not sure if we will get to the frunk. So the plan is I'm going out of town for a week. So we're going to get this sort of inside and jams done. And then I go away and I come back for the full reveal. That's the plan. So I'm super nervous though. You know, this paint color is such a big deal. It follows you around forever. Fortunately though, just doing the inside, just doing the frunk, just doing the trunk engine compartment. So hopefully it's good. Anyway, we'll soon find out. Let's stay tuned. All right, so here's the deal. We're always tight on time because that's part of all this whole thing. So all we're gonna do right now for the paint reveal is I'm going to finish, Willie and I are gonna finish sanding this hood. We're gonna get it in the paint booth and then we're going to paint the underside of this the right color, hopefully. So if it's not the right color, we'll at least have some reference, and then they're gonna paint the whole thing while I'm gone. Okay. It's been 3 years of mocking up this car and having some idea of where I was going with it. And you guys don't even know this, but I've been leaving you an Easter egg the entire time this car has been built. And the color of the Blasphemy build is called Porsche NATO Olive. Now, I don't know if you can see this color in all of its glory, but I've been wearing it for 3 years. This is essentially the color of the Blasphemy build. Let me get out in the light. This is a lovely Porsche paint to sample green. It's almost impossible to show you on this camera right now. But it is this lovely dark olive green that looks amazing in the dark and amazing in the light. And that is the official color. We are about to paint the underside of the hood in this Porsche NATO olive. And hopefully I get to paint a little bit and leave him to the clear, but I'm super excited. This looks so good, dude. This, like, when it was just the base, I was like, I don't know. But now that it has the clear on it, it is every single thing that I wanted in a paint color. I mean, it's unbelievable. So I'm so stoked, and I can't wait for you guys to see this. So as you guys can see, we've just put 3 coats of base on the hood. It looks ridiculous already, and we haven't even done the clear coat yet. So we're gonna do the clear coat right now. You can see he's been drying the coats off in between just to accelerate the process a little bit. But I remember being thrilled with my gray Ghost when the gray went on. I was like, oh my God, it looks amazing. And then the clear went on and it was like, so I can't wait to see what this thing looks like with clear coat. Are you guys stoked? I may or may not have gotten a little misty. Yeah, this is a big deal. It's a big deal. So this is the expectation with clear coat. Can you believe what the whole car is gonna look like this? Oh my God, if this is what the underside of the hood looks like. Clear coat is really gnarly, so you make sure you wear a mask. All right, guys, you've just seen 3 coats of base and 2 coats of clear. I was kind of hoping we'd be able to see this in the daylight, but he's gonna leave it here for now. So here we go, we got light on it. Look at the craziness. Like, look how olivey that looks in the light, and then it just gets to this beautiful, glossy color. Oh, it's so good, you guys. I'm so stoked about this. So guys, this has been a thrilling, emotional day for me to actually see the thing in paint for the first time after 3 years of doing the body work. I couldn't be happier. It looks so amazing. I've got the sun literally blazing on me right here, but you guys can see it. It just looks awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Theoretically, the next time we see each other, I come back and the entire car is painted. So let's all look forward to that amazing reveal. And then we got the work to do and get the thing together. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.